So every morning starts the same way, right? You open your laptop and there's three things that are already fighting for you: your inbox, your calendar, and a list of stuff you swore you'd get to. And before you've had one clear thought, you're already reacting. Hey, it's Alan, and boy, do I have something cool for you today. You know how important people all have a chief of staff? You know, that big guy that walks in and says, "Here's your day. Here's what matters. Here's what I already handled." Today, I'm going to show you how to give yourself one. It's AI, and it takes about 10 minutes to set up. It's 5 moves. Then I'll show you mine, the real one, the one that hits my screen every single morning at 7 a.m. This is AI made simple, so let's automate a few things today. Here's the shift. Most people use AI like a search box. You ask, it answers, you close it. A chief of staff doesn't wait to be asked. You give it a standing job and it shows up every morning and it does it. Same job every day without you lifting a finger. 5 moves. Move 1. Give it the inputs, connect what it needs to see. That's your calendar, your email, your task list. In ChatGPT, in Claude, in Gemini, it's a couple of clicks in settings. There's no code. Now I can see your day the way you do. So move 2 is give it a role. Hand it the job in plain English. You're my chief of staff. Every morning, read my calendar, my email, and my tasks. Tell me what my day looks like, flag what needs a decision, and ask me what I want to add. That paragraph in the whole thing, that's the code. Move 3. Put it on a timer. Now make it run on its own. In ChatGPT, the schedule tab, that's what it's called. Gemini calls it scheduled actions. You pick the time, say 7 a.m., and from then on, it just runs. And one honest thing, this part, the running itself part, is actually a paid feature, about $20 a month on ChatGPT Plus or whatever you already use. If you're already paying for AI, you actually already have it. And every morning, before you even sit down, the brief is there waiting. Move 4 is have it prep the work. A real chief of staff doesn't just tell you about your day. They get you ready for it. So push it further. Draft the emails I owe and leave them in my drafts. Lay out an agenda for each meeting. Now you wake up and half the work is done. Move 5, you review and lead. And this is an important one. In drafts, you decide. Nothing you send gets sent without you. You read it, you say, add this, and then you walk into your day already on top of it. So let me show you mine. Every morning at 7, this lands on my screen. And a quick honest note here, this is a cleaned up version of mine, right? I swapped the real names and details out of this particular video for obvious reasons, but the shape, this is exactly what I see. I read my calendar, my inbox, my tasks, everything's handed to me for the whole day on one screen. Right here, what matters most, and the 2 things that need a decision from me on top of it. And down here, the emails that are already drafted, sitting in my drafts. They're sitting there waiting for me to make a decision. I never let it send it on its own. I'm always the last word. I read it, I add what's missed, and I'm done. Before most people even open their laptop, I'm done. So I run mine in Claude. Because it's in drafts, it never sends. And I like being the one who hits the send button. If you live in Google, Gemini will do a version just like this out of the box. So use whatever you already have. They're all going to get you there. So look at what just happened. You didn't get busier. You got a head start. The same 3 things that used to jump you every morning got read, they got sorted and prepped before you even sat down. You stopped reacting to your day and you started running it. And that's what automate means around here. Give the machine a standing job and let it show up for you every single day. So here's your move. Tonight, write 1 paragraph, "You're my chief of staff. Here's your job," and set it to run at 7 a.m. tomorrow morning and tell me in the comments what it caught. Subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm Alan. This is AI Made Simple. Until the next time.